Okay, we're live. Hi everyone, I'm Al.
I'm Brian.
And today we're going to talk to you about OSHA's new rules effective September 23rd regarding silica dust. Silica dust is a byproduct of drilling into concrete. What happens is you have all that dust that blows out, and workers breathe the dust in.
You know, they say 2.3 million people are exposed to it every year, with 600 losing their lives.
600 people losing their lives because of cancer of the lungs. And today it's particularly important because there's more silica in the concrete to raise the PSI levels of the concrete. Brian, you've been drilling a lot with our new Dustless systems. What do you think about these things?
You know, it saves a lot of mess in the workshop here. When you're drilling without them, it's terrible. It's all over the place. It gets in your eyes. It gets everywhere.
Makes a mess. Now we have three options coming out. Now these are possibilities. Whenever we do new product development, we test it out first to make sure that it works, and then we want to make sure that you're interested in the product yourselves.
First, we have just our basic plastic, hooks into your shop back here, suction to the wall. Very cheap, but works. Second, we got our new product, which is good for smaller diameters, SDS Plus. You know, it's a little upgrade compared to the last dust extraction system. You know, you got your 1/4 inch, your 3/16, all the way up to maybe like 3/8 or so on this one.
There's a metal plate on the inside of this that you can pop in and out like this. And what's nice about it is that it gives you all the small diameter sizes.
Take your shop vac, hook it into here. Simply turn it on and stick it to the wall, and stick it to the wall, and stick it to the wall. Here we have our third option for our dust extraction system. It's more for the larger diameters. Maybe once you get up into the SDS max sizes, you got to cut out your hole here to the certain diameter that you need, suck it to the wall just like the other ones, and it does a great job.
You could also take this out and you probably do some core or diamond drilling with this as well. It's tough. This thing is probably going to get used up and thrown away, but it's quite tough. It's very strong. You know, what do you think?
You know, that's what I would go with if I needed a dust extraction system.
Now, we were at World of Concrete back in January. What were your observations when you were there?
Everything was based upon dust extraction. All the big names, that's all they had set up at their booths was their new dust extraction systems.
Also coming out is a whole new line of SDS Max and SDS Plus rotary hammer drill bits with integrated dust evacuation holes. This product is 100% made in Germany. And just so you know, most of the drill bits in this range are going to come standard 24 inches with about 15.5 inches of drilling capacity. This is the SDS Max connection over here, and here on the side you have a fully rotating industrial grade rubber connection that feeds into your vacuum system or your shop vac hose. So you guys have probably figured this out already, but while you're drilling concrete, the concrete dust gets sucked into the holes here, runs into and through the drill bit and out into this evacuation connection here into your vacuum system. Now, OSHA requires the use of HEPA filters, or filters that can remove 99% of airborne particles. Also, the vacuum system will have to have a self-cleaning mechanism. In most cases, that's a reverse pulse feature that shakes out the filter and prevents dust buildup inside the filter. In our lab here, we use a rigid shop vac. This is not going to conform to OSHA regulation. It's good for the lab, but not good on a work site. If you want to see how a vacuum system with a reverse pulse feature works, I encourage you to watch the PulseBack video on YouTube, and we'll put the link down here for you. The SDS Max range is limited to 7 sizes, starting at a 1/2 inch all the way to 1 3/8" diameter. The standard length is 24 inches with about 15.5 inches of effective drilling depth. The SDS Plus range is quite smaller. The SDS Plus range is also 7 sizes, starting at 3/8 diameter to 7/8 diameter. The overall length is about 14 inches, and it will give you about 8 inches of effective drilling depth. Although the offering is limited, we are making these in 2 different factories, which will give you a slightly broader size offering than you will get from anyone else. Now, to tell you the truth, we have no idea how popular these drill bits will be. We will have stock midsummer 2017 in time for the September 23rd compliance date. And now, watch this.
What's up, everybody? My name is Jesse, and I'm here in New York to test out the SDS Max Dustless drill in action. Let's do this. This is the SDS. We're gonna show you how it works and why you need to get one. What do you say? What is the game? How do you play? I say, hey, like a disease. Awesome. Everybody needs to get this. It's just a little bit twisted. Gonna be alright. Come on, sweet little sister. Doing just fine. Don't ask no questions. I won't tell no lies. You need to get one.